Hey, it's Hank. I have a fax machine in the new office. It doesn't have a phone line going to it. I'm going to show you how to run a phone line and tap into an existing line. Okay, the simplest type of phone jack to install is the surface mount. You don't have to cut a hole in the drywall, and it just will mount right there on the baseboard. The wire I need to get to is directly below me, so all I have to do is get a drill bit. I don't want a really long drill bit because I don't want to drill into a water pipe or something that may be down there. I just want to go right in here into the corner and drill through the floorboard. Okay, that's about right. It went through one sheet of plywood, and now I'm through. I'm going to poke it. All right, go ahead and pull that drill out. See if I can get my phone line down in there. Now all I have to do is fish my wire down to where my other wires go through below, and I'll show you how to connect those together. Okay, the wire is fished through the hole now. I'll go ahead and take care of this end while I'm up here. Just going to strip this back. Don't really have the proper wire strippers for this. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now let's open up the I know that only two of the wires are used. It's been a while. I don't know off the top of my head which two it is, but this is a single line phone service. Oh, there's the place to do that. Okay, we're going to fish the wire up through this way. We're going to land each color. Actually, my yellow is, I have to restrip this. Attempt to strip this again without stripping any wires. There we go. Good deal. Now we'll strip each of these. I didn't have any actual heavier gauge phone line, so I'm just using a phone cord, which is much smaller gauge. I don't know what this is, like 20 or 22 gauge. So I have to strip it by feel. Just there we go. Okay. Just gonna land each color under the screws there. Start here with the red. Here we go. Got her in there good. And we'll do the same thing for all 4 colors. Just snug it down good and snug. All right. Now we'll do the green. And the yellow. Let's see if I can get this twisted better. And then the black.
Okay, all the wires are landed. No, I've got one loose strand here. I'll just get rid of that so it doesn't cause trouble. There we go. Looks good. Just put some slack up in there. All we have to do is put a screw through that hole right there. Maybe we'll just drop the screw in the hole and put the drill bit on it. There we go. We'll just put that right in the baseboard here. Bit doesn't fit that screw. Okay, good and snug. One more little. Now, poke the excess wire down the hole. Maybe loop a little here. Maybe not. Okay, cover. Goes right on like that. There you go. Now you have the surface mounted phone jack right there. One wire will come out of here and up into the fax machine over here. On the fax machine, you have line in, so we'll go from here to the jack. Now if I want to put a telephone in this room as well, which I probably will, it says exit. I can come out of here and into my telephone. Okay, I've located the phone line that goes across in this utility room. Found a place I have enough slack I can make a splice. And here is the wire that I've pulled into the office. So I will cut this, strip these wires, put connectors on them. So I'll be using these phone wire splices. They're 3-wire splice taps. So basically, you can poke 3 wires in there. Then you crimp this with a pair of pliers, and it makes the connection. Okay, I'm going to just cut this wire here. I'm going to strip it back. Go ahead and strip each of these colors. Now, got the connectors here. I'm going to start with the green. Poke the green one in there. The green one on this side. Poke it in there. Got them all in. Crimp. Crimp. Okay. Now that should be a solid connection. And we'll try this again. Last wire. Get in there. Put them all in. Crimp on there. Crimped. Okay, all the wires are holding. Okay, last steps, we'll plug a phone into the phone jack here just to test it out. And we'll get the if we can get dial tone there. It's good. Now we'll plug the fax machine in. there up to the fax machine. Like I said, the line in here. And then we'll go line out into the telephone, or we can have a phone in this room as well. Now the final test, we got the fax machine plugged in. We're going to hit the hook button, have a dial tone. So this is ready to send faxes. And that's how that works.